Hey YouTube, today we are going to have a look at the big dunk release of the year so far. We have got the 2018 black Tiffany dunk. Let's go and have a look. Hey YouTube, my name's Mr. B, and if you're new to this channel and you've not been here before, we tend to do sneaker unboxings. We do these cinematic sneaker on foot things, and every Sunday, camera 2, we stream at about 8 PM UK time. That would be roughly about 12 PM on the West Coast and 3 PM on the East Coast. But camera number 1, the main camera on the block, nobody's interested in that right now. We're going to pull for some freshness. That's what we're going to do, SJ, on Sneaker Cam. We're going to pull for freshness. You ready? Are you ready? Oh, that's not the attitude. We want enthusiasm today, SJ. You ready? That's better. Nike, you have done a good thing with these boxes. They are so much easier. Right, everybody, let's do this. So, everyone's seen these. Everyone's seen the hype for these. Everyone knows why I'm excited about these. I love dunks. I'm a dunk man. I've got rid of the paper. I'm not even looking at it. So we're going to go straight in here. Pink box. Originally, these Tiffany's, or the original Tiffany's, came out in August 2005. But just so everybody wants to know, because I'm sure you already know, but these are Nike SB Dunk Low Pro OG SJ Quick Strike. They're a US 11.5. That makes them a UX. That makes them not a UN. That makes them a UK 10.5. They are black, chrome black, and the code is BV1310001. Right. Thing I have been most excited about all weekend. Lovely pink box. It's so good to see the pink box back. Right. Here we go. So Sneaker Cam woodcut paper, but you don't get to see it. Oh, so materials look nice. Look nice. Okay, right, we're gonna get these out. 1, 2. And like the white pair, which we didn't get, that were only available in skate stores, or indeed the yellow pair, which are even more limited, and we won't talk about what went on at Complex Con. Second set of laces is the Tiffany green. Is that Tiffany green or Tiffany blue? Blue. Tiffany blue. I'm sure most of you know, but this is the color of Tiffany boxes. So we have got, let's get the paper out. I want to get everything out nice and early, SJ. Nice and early. So we're going to get the paper out. So it's a collab with Diamond Supply Company. Collab? Yes, it is, SJ. So first of all, people, feast your eyes on the 2018 black Tiffany Diamond Supply Dunk, or I suppose Diamond Supply collab with Nike SB. First things first, it smells like leather. It really smells like leather. It looks really nice. I'm just getting a quick skim around these camera 2s. You want to have a look? I know you do. Look at that. Sneaker Cam, you've got all this to come, so you just hold your horses. Look at it. Lovely, lovely. Crocodile leather here. I don't think it's real croc. As we all know, the detachable swoosh. Right, SJ, you ready for this? This is all for you on Sneaker Cam. So the first things first, tongue tab. We've got the Diamond Supply logo. Nike SB underneath. Can you see that? I'm bringing it in for you, just for you. Then we have got on, and I'm going to get the laces, the next thing on the laces, the next thing about this, if we can see, now I know on here, engraved, or embossed, or whatever it is, imprinted. Can you see that on that side? If I move it into the light, will that help? So you can see diamond on that side, yeah? Now if I flick it round, can you see supply? So again, that's a really nice touch. We've got here black toe box, really nice leather here. It's quite supple. Coming in onto the, I'm gonna call it a mud guard on the toe box. Laces people. So like the originals, we have got this, do you think it's mock croc, isn't it? Mock croc around here. I'm going to bring it into SJ. She's giving me all the directions today. We're not going to fall out on this, but we wanted to get this video out super quick. So we've got white midsole, black sole for everybody. Comes around the side there. The mock croc again, through here, through here, through here. White stitching on the back there. Tiffany blue Nike SB, or Nike actually. I got that wrong. Are you ready for this? So silver swoosh, feels patent-like. It's probably just plastic. So removable. You ready for it? You ready for it? We all know what's coming. We've all seen the videos. Diamond underneath. Lovely little touch that. I'm gonna put this back. I love these shoes so much. I'm so pleased we got the little slight offset just to go back so we can reveal the Tiffany underneath that swoosh. Nod to the original colorway. Flipping that down. Right, I'm gonna go on the inside. Let me just see if I can get this So standard zoom heel unit, same Tiffany there. I just want to check underneath the sticker. No. Thought for a moment that they might put Nike Diamond here as well, but they've just gone with the colorway. Standard heel zoom unit. So let me get that back in. Ah, can't believe this, camera one. So that's it. They are a really nice pair of Dunks. Really nice. I haven't put this on very well there. Let's just off that, set that there. Okay, so spinning round. Absolutely beautiful shoe. I am so pleased we picked this up. I actually really like, I didn't really think about this much when I saw the pictures online. I really didn't think about it, camera 2. I really like the stitching, like the white stitching going all the way around. I think that really offsets it really, really well. That's such a good shoe. I'm just gonna have a look on the laces. Ooh. So, and I'm gonna get one of these laces out for you all. Yep, I am. I'm gonna get one of these laces out. Yes, we are. Here we go. I can't get the laces out. Oh my word. Just to show, so SJ coming in again. I'm gonna put that in the light. Can you see? It says diamond, says diamond. Okay, so we're now gonna pause. We're not gonna pause, but we're just gonna roll. As if by magic, that wasn't magic, I just sped it up, didn't I? I wanted to show you with the alternate laces. I am not a lacing god, as you can all see. They're a bit of a mishmash. I actually like that. SJ, do you like it like that? Mm-hmm. Yep, so let's just get rid of the two laces and we can see them side by side. What do we think? Now I know it's not fair because one's factory laced and one isn't. Thoughts? So what do you like? Do you like turquoise, Tiffany? Do you like black? Right everyone, so while I was lacing that and SJ and I were having a conversation, we were having a conversation about the E, the way E has been stitched on the back. So you can't really see that, camera 2. So I'm gonna go straight to Sneaker Cam to have a look at how the E is stitched. Because it's actually the E on both shoes. Can you see that? It's just stitched badly. It's like wonky. We've got a wonky E. I reckon that this is the final pair that were made on Friday night before somebody at the factory was like, we should really knock off. I fancy a drink. I'm gonna go for a pint. And yeah, they went for a pint. And so they quickly rushed the E. But yeah, it is so funny. It's so off. It's so off. So all other quality, like from a glue point of view, looking at these now from a glue point of view, there's not a lot, like the rest of it, spot on, apart from the E. But I suppose that shows that a human is involved. Adds a little bit of human element to them. I also like that with these, like way back in the day, we've got a lace bag as well, which now clearly doesn't have the laces in. Oh, I'm so glad these arrived. I'm so glad that they came today and I was able to film this video for you all. Super, super excited about these. I think, and we talked about this on the stream this week, the hype for Dunks is back. Been buying Dunks, will continue to buy Dunks, whether they're hype for them or not. Funny, like, nobody was interested in Dunks a couple of years ago and now everybody wants these bad boys. And I think SJ on Sneaker Cam, Nike are doing their thing, aren't they? They're doing their thing. So what do you think, people? Do you like these? Very clean shoe. Very, very clean. So everybody, like this video, don't forget to thumbs up and thanks for subscribing everyone. If you have subscribed and you haven't hit the notification bell, it is somewhere down there, I think. I just want to say a big thank you to everybody and we will see you in the next video. I shouldn't really do it like that, should I? I should just say bye. We'll see you later. See ya. SJ, do you like these? Apart from the E.
Better than I expected, yeah.
Yeah, they're nice.
They're much nicer than I expected. I thought they'd look really cheap.
They smell really good. Have a smell.